Chiquinha, chiquinha.
Go check out the room.
Chiquinha.
Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and then also hit the that little bell. That means you're gonna get notified of other videos that I do. Okay, I'm on a gravel road going towards the beach. Yeah, it's kind of interesting here. It's called Tank Beach. It's like kind of a military name. Tank Beach. Okay, so we're gonna go check out Tank Beach, see what it's all about. Looks like there's somebody already there. Okay, yeah, this is nice. Tank Beach. There's some kids down there playing. Dang. Like when just walking around, driving around Saipan, like I'm kind of getting a little bit like, okay man, it's pretty small. Not a lot of businesses or things, like saw a lot of poker between the airport and the main town. But now that I'm at here, it's like, oh, okay, now I understand. This is beautiful. And I think this side has better beaches, I guess. I didn't see beaches on the other side. It looked like it was like a coastline. People were running up and down. That looked kind of nice too. But now that I'm here, it's like, wow. This is actually a real beach. So we're just gonna walk all the way down. And there's family down there. And I just kind of like to go in and just touch the ocean when I get somewhere. I think they have little parties here. Or those are, well, there's like garbage mixed in, but there's also a lot of seashells. Okay. Yeah, I guess there's a lot of garbage kind of, I don't know if that's from around the world or if it's just, no idea. Let's just touch that. There we go. Now the water's coming in. It makes you wonder if this trash is this from locals or if it comes in from all over the world. These like little plastic bottles that could float from really far, right? If it's enclosed. There's another plastic bottle, so it looks like a lot of plastic could be floats. Could float all the way from America, you know? You just don't know. So see this blue one. Let's see if there's a place that it's from. Yeah, I can't really tell. Yeah, a lot of these are plastic, so I guess plastic just floats in the ocean, right? It has to land somewhere, so. That's plastic too. Coconut. Rope. Yeah, but a lot of random stuff kind of just ends up here, you know? Let's see. Yeah, there's more plastic. There's somebody walks a dog. Yeah, it looks like it's plastic. So yeah, I guess that plastic must just come from all over the world, probably. It's crazy when you think about it. The coat hanger probably floats. Dang. Something that's kind of weird to think about. At first I was like, oh man, why don't they keep their beaches clean? But maybe they do. But you can't stop things from coming from all over the world, if I'm right about that. Wow, look at all these little crabs. Those are like tiny little crabs everywhere. I don't know if you can see those, but there's one right there. Looks like they're feeding on the... Oh, there's like all over the place. There's these tiny little guys too. There's like a little green one. Beautiful shells. There's all these little crabs everywhere here. You see all those little crabs? Like, it's like tons of them. There's
You
like.
wanna know why that coconut crab is open like that? Crab is open like that.
Why is that?
The coconut crab.
Oh, those are coconut crabs?
You don't know those?
No, first time
They're
I've seen it.
very popular here. They're like this big.
Wow.
They're one of the biggest crabs in the world.
Wow, that's
Look at all
amazing.
the crabs.
I know, right? Like they're everywhere here. There's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7,
There's
8.
a lot, right, Ben?
Yeah.
Where are you from?
I'm from Michigan.
Oh, I'm from Texas.
Oh, from Texas. Okay. And they from Guam?
Oh, you came from Guam?
Oh no, are you guys living in Guam or?
No. I found another crab.
Yeah, these are everywhere right here.
Ouch! Yo, feet hurt. Ouch.
You guys are just visiting here?
I'm just gonna take one. We're just trying to get a little nice walk-in fresh air.
Oh, that sounds good.
I get a crab.
Yeah.
Let me actually get.
Yeah, those are everywhere there. Pretty cool. Hope you guys enjoy. So yeah, so there's like little crabs there. So I'm just gonna walk a little bit more. Yeah, people are really nice here. I've never seen that many crabs, so let's see what this is. Yeah, they came right up to say hello. Wow, this is like coral. Actually, the beaches are really beautiful. Yeah, these are all corals right everywhere in here. I guess that makes sense. Well, let's get back in the car. I just wanted to see the ocean. It looks really beautiful. Some kids here. Yeah, that plastic. I guess most of the trash is plastic actually, so maybe people do try to take care of things, but yeah, this is gonna be my theory anyways, that the plastic just comes from all over the world, right? Yeah, I'm glad I got to see a beach though. That's kind of why people come to Guam, or in Saipan anyway. Sorry, I keep saying Guam. I don't mean to do that, but Guam is basically right next to Saipan, by the way, so I think they're about the same size, but I think Saipan is like maybe 3 or 4 times less the population. I think Guam has maybe 3 or 4 times more. I think it's like 120,000. Saipan is like 30,000, I think. Correct me if I'm wrong, put it in the comments. And we're gonna keep going. So look at that, that's the license plate. CNMI.